Hi there! Did you know that you can make pesto with coriander leaves? This coriander pesto pasta with veggies turns out super delish. Kids love it, so will you. And it's a no sweat recipe. Just keep watching. To support my channel, do subscribe. Click the bell icon to get updates. To make the pesto, I'm using pecan nuts, half a cup. You could use walnuts or cashew nuts in its place. 1/3 cup of extra virgin olive oil, 2 cloves of garlic, and a bunch of fresh coriander leaves with a bit of stalk. I'll also add in some dried parsley and some sea salt to taste. Let's make the pesto. Add in the leaves, the garlic, the nuts, the olive oil, dried parsley, and salt. I'll grind this to a paste. That looks a bit thick to me, so I'll add in a bit more of the extra virgin olive oil, maybe a couple of tablespoons more. And for the special effect, the cheese. This is half a cup of grated cheese. It's best to use Parmesan, but since I have run out of Parmesan, I am using processed cheese that I have grated. So a final whisk and the pesto will be ready. That is done. Looks rich. Perfect. Since this is a veggie pasta, you can use any number of vegetables according to your choice and also any amount of vegetables that you want. I am using what I had, a few florets of broccoli, some peas, I just love them, tomatoes that I have de-seeded, and bell peppers. I'm also using a bit of chopped garlic. I'm using penne pasta. This is freshly cooked and is about 200 grams of pasta for 2 portions. You could use any other pasta that you want. Heat some extra virgin olive oil, about 2 tablespoons. I'll add in the bell peppers first. And then the garlic, maybe a teaspoon of chopped garlic. Broccoli and the peas. I'll cook this for a minute. The tomatoes, give it a toss, add in the pesto as much as you want. I'll go for about 2 tablespoons. Season with salt for the veggies. Add in more dried parsley and a teaspoon of Italian seasoning or oregano, whatever you have. That looks good. I'll add in some warm milk. You could add in cream in its place. So let that boil. Just let it boil for a minute and then add in the pasta. Give it a mix. So the sauce will seep into the penne pasta cavities. That looks lovely. I'll just check the seasoning once. That means a bit of salt. And that's done. I'll turn off the heat. Serve it out. Finish it off with some grated cheese on top. And enjoy!